welcome back to my channel. I'm Tara and this is Tara's Corner. This is my sister.
Hi, I'm Lara.
Today we're gonna make healthy crackers. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
For the preparation, we need sunflower seeds, oil, flax seeds, sesame seeds, gluten-free corn flour, water, and Himalayan salt. Let's get to cooking.
Yeah, let's get to cooking.
First, I'm going to put all the ingredients and mix them all together with a mixer. And then now we're going to put the oil and the water. Come on, sister, pour in the Himalayan salt.
Now water.
Now let's mix it all together. I mixed the dough. I now got a baking pan and baking paper, and I put the dough, and I'm going to put now another baking paper on top, and then get a rolling pin and then roll it.
Okay, first I will hold it for you. I'll hold the paper too. Ew, it's messy.
Now that I rolled it, now I'll take off this layer of baking paper. Be careful.
It's smushed.
Now let's cut it into crackers. Now, let's bake it. Put the temperature on 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Now it's done. Now let's put it in a bowl and try it. They're hot.
Yeah, really, really hot. Oh.
And that's it. Now let's try this delicious healthy crackers. Get one, sister.
Okay, be careful, it's a little bit hot.
Wow, it's so crunchy.
Yeah, it's so good.
It's like a tortilla chip, but it's healthy.
Hey sister, how much did you give it?
A 10 out of 10.
Yeah, me too.
And it's very great for all of people that want to eat healthy. For vegans and some other people. My sister and I love it.
Yeah.
It's very great for a road trip. When you need a snack on something. This is it for now, guys. Tomorrow's a new day. Like, share, and subscribe to this video. Don't forget, it's Tara's Corner. Bye.
Bye.
And see you guys in the next video.